All right, so we're headed back home, the end of this week-long vacation. I'm ready. Tina's not. Kids, are you guys ready to go back?
Yes, please. Yes. Kind of. I'm gonna play my video game wrestling. Like,
Oh goodness.
Yeah.
Next stop is St. George, the Red Barn.
Woo!
Red Barn for some ice cream.
Yeah. Yes.
I'm gonna get some caramel apple. What are you getting?
Oh, I'm getting the caramel apple.
Ashlyn, what are you getting?
Cookie dough, probably.
Emberlynn, what ice cream are you gonna get?
Oh no, cookies and cream. That was good.
That was good.
I'm getting the cookie dough.
What about you?
Cookies and cream and a waffle cone.
Nice. What about you, Elijah?
Wait, where are we going?
The Red Barn.
Remember where we had ice cream? With the Patterson?
Yes.
I don't know. I might get a new one. Probably root beer or vanilla this time.
Yeah, root beer ice cream. What about you, Braden?
Caramel apple.
Caramel apple. Nice.
Caramel.
Caramel, tomato,
Caramel.
potato.
Caramel.
Tina or Tina, same thing.
All right, so we are gonna try to see how many trucks we can get to Honk, right, Emberlynn?
Yeah, this is how we're gonna do it. If there's another, roll down the window. We're gonna roll down the window. Let me do it. If we,
They all want to vlog.
so if there's a car in front of it, so we can't honk, and if it gets up really closer, we do this so it will honk. But
That's what you're gonna do?
yeah, but sometimes it doesn't do it.
Sometimes it doesn't. Only the cool ones do it, right? Yeah.
You also have to roll down the window.
Yeah.
And then you go, and then once you're done with that, once you're done trying to make them honk the horn, and if they do, we give them a thumbs up.
That's right.
Look for some of my earrings.
Oh, let's see. Oh, so beautiful. Love them.
Do you want me to say it again?
We're coming up on our first truck. Coming up pretty quick.
And that's gonna be me.
You think he's gonna honk or not honk?
I think he's not gonna honk.
You don't think he's gonna honk?
Wait, we're coming close. We're coming close.
Better roll down the window. Better roll from way out.
It's a little close.
Ready? Steady. Ready, here it comes. Right after this man. Make sure he sees you. Stick your arm out. Go, Brad. That looks so far.
You got him,
We got one coming on Elijah's side. Let's see.
Honk it now, Elijah. Go.
Go! Hop, 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 hop. Oh.
Look at the ghetto. Here we go. Get him. Get him, Elijah.
We got 1 point, Elijah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Got another one. Out the window, out the window, out the window, out the window. Yay! Woohoo! That's how many, Emberlynn?
2.
Yeah.
It's 2 to 1, and I'm going to come up with another one. It's right there. Yeah, wait, I think it's going on the other side. I think it's trying to go on the other side.
Here we go. You better roll it down.
1, 2, 3, hurry!
Here we go.
Go, 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 go.
Oh,
There's one more.
he did it.
There's one more.
Okay, keep going.
3.
Go. If we did another one, another one, another one. Come on, come on.
So we are on our way home, and we stopped back at the Rowley's Red Barn for some fresh fruit and ice cream. So we are gonna go and get our dessert in here. What?
There's no more what you like that.
No more caramel apple?
No.
Oh, we gotta leave. What do you want? What do you want?
It's so cold.
We're in the Red Barn. This is the refrigerated area for the fruit. Hey, stop running in here, dude. We got cheeses. Elijah. Hey, Elijah, we're not running in here.
Why are you sitting here? Without being ready to say go. Without saying that it's cold.
Hey, how are you guys? This is a good place to punish you guys. I'm gonna stick you in here while we go out and eat ice cream. See you later. I'm not letting you go. You gotta go wipe that up.
Oh my gosh.
She's dripping it all over the floor.
Come on, ready? Left. Oh my God. For once in your life.
I'm gonna do a vlog. I'm gonna do a vlog where it's just follow Braden for a day.
No.
Yeah, Braden. We could get close. We could bond. What do you want? You want a caramel apple? No.
Why?
No.
You said I get the biggest treat.
No. Okay. Go ask Mom. What do you want?
The bunny who's that side.
Which one?
The middle. Yeah, that one. Yeah,
This is not a bunny. That's not a bunny. It's a cat.
I want it.
Dad, I just got scratchy right now.
Oh, let me give you a kiss. You all right, bud?
Can we come?
You're all right.
Can we go with it?
Emberlynn, you have like 20 million stuffed animals. We're checking out now what everyone's getting. They're gonna, the ice cream's good, but this is where we go broke. What are we getting?
I kind of want some
Facial
salsa.
mud.
A caramel apple.
No.
He gets the biggest treat because
Where are they?
He's
They're
sitting
just
in the
right
back
there.
of the
They're like
room.
$3
Where?
to $5. Right there.
Okay, you can get one. Okay,
Yeah.
that's it. He's the only one. Everyone else, you get a little treat
I get what?
because he's sitting in the back the whole way.
I get corset.
So do I.
All get one.
No. What?
I
No,
want to
go get another treat. Look, there's something over there you can get. Here, look at
flavored
that.
licorice. And right there. Just
Ooh, cinnamon,
Red. Just root beer.
root beer,
Chocolate. Watermelon.
black liquor,
Watermelon. Oh look, there's green apple.
Green apple. What do you want?
I'm not getting ready.
You really want a caramel apple? I don't think you're gonna finish it. What do you get? Oh, beef jerky. Braden, what are you getting, dude?
I can't keep beef jerky.
Alright, we got Elijah in the other seat now, so he can have a try.
Me and Elijah split.
How many did you get?
There's one drop. I got 5.
Big sauce.
Oh, I think there's another one coming this way.
Still shooting for number 3 for Elijah. If he gets
I got 5.
lucky number 3, baby. Come on, Trucky, lucky. Yeah! Woohoo!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. You excited to be home, buddy?
Brayden bit my finger.
You excited to be Elijah? You excited to be home?
I don't know whether you was yesterday. He sucked on my
All
ear.
right.
No, I didn't. Why are you lying?
I'm not. Fine.
Here we are.
Last time we were here.
Back to life.
Mom, I don't know where my USA flip-flops are at. I just know they're in the car, but I don't know where they're at. So bye.
You can go.
So Emberlynn.
There we go.
Next time, I'll get you.
We're gonna see.
Sorry.
We're gonna see if
Dad.
Jasper and Molly.
Up there.
You guys think Jasper and Molly will be excited?
No. Guys, what?
Molly's gonna pee on the floor.
Of course. She does it every time. Even Jasper, they do it every time.
Let's see. You're home.
Hey!
Hey, don't do that. Jasper and Molly. Hey!
Jasper and Molly are here! I think they peed.
They're excited. That's why. Hey.
Wait, don't
You
let
see
them
him.
out.